Yeah, let us discuss about Docker Compose. First of all, Docker Compose, the main purpose of using Docker Compose is Docker Compose is used to create multiple containers, and it will create a containers as a service. Basically, Compose is a plugin. Okay, plugin is nothing but it is an extension for a tool. Suppose if you consider about the Jenkins, we're going to use multiple plugins for the connection to establish the connection using SSH plugin, or the Docker plugins will be downloading multiple of plugins inside Jenkins master. So that Jenkins plugins is nothing but it is an extension to the tool, whatever it may be, whether it is a Docker, Jenkins, or Kubernetes, whatever it may be. Yeah. In the Docker also, Docker Compose is act as a plugin. Most probably, and when if you want to say exactly what is the purpose of using Docker Compose is used to create multiple containers as a service. Okay, for example, let me show you it in a practical way. That's why I have Googled it, the three-tier architecture. See, I hope all you know about three-tier architecture. For any application, there will be three-tier architecture. See, this is client server, this is application server, this is data server. Nothing but it is our front end. This is application layer. Nothing but application server, the database server. This is our back end. For any application, there will be three-tier architecture. Three-tier architecture. This is my front end, application layer, or application logic, and database. Nothing but backend. Now, in order to run my application as a service, I need let us consider this criteria, this scenario itself. We will be creating one container for this container, because Docker Compose is say container as a service. No, for client tier, I'm going to use one container. For application tier, I'm going to use another container. For database, I'm going to use another container. Container 1, container 2, container 3. See, we are using multiple containers to build three-tier architecture. If one container is low, we can't build the other two containers. See, that's why if you to run an application, there will be three containers should be upward running very well. If one container is low, one application is down, the other two it may affect on the other two containers also. That is the main purpose of using Docker Compose. Okay. Let me show you in other. Okay, let me move extra. Yeah. Wait. See, I started using my Docker Compose using. See, Docker Compose can be run by using ML script. We're going to run our containers, multiple containers using ML script. I hope all you know about ML scripts. Okay, I have already created one ML script. Let me show you once. Okay, let me get into my home directory. Docker content actually. Okay, let me give ls command. Cat Docker Compose. The free request for Docker Compose is Docker should be installed in our instance. Okay, Docker Compose ML. See, this is the ML script which I have written. Just I have written. I haven't run it. Yeah, I have run it, but still haven't checked. See, it's upward running. For your convenience, if you want, I can run it again. After creating, see, you mustn't give this. You mustn't should be giving this name itself. No need to give as you like. If my name is g.v.dileep and I don't want to give g.v.dileep.ml in the page, you should give the proper name Docker -compose.ml. In the same way, what we're going to give, we're going to write in the command line a set of instructions in the command line, like Docker file. Okay. Now let me give command. Okay. First, tell me. I will show you how to install. This is the command to install. After installing Docker, we have to install Docker Compose means this is the command apt get install Docker hyphen compose. If you click on enter, actually I have already installed. That's why I'm just showing the command apt get install Docker Compose. Okay. If you want, I can show you. Whether I install Docker Docker hyphen compose. See, Docker Compose version 1.2.50 I have already installed. Here there are some things, okay, which I have to explain to you. Docker Compose, no, Compose. Yeah, help. See, this there are some commands, okay, inside Docker Compose. Here we will be using this down. The down Docker Compose down is used to stop or remove any container, networks or images or values or whatever it may be. And here we have another command like Docker Compose up, which is used to create and start our containers. Okay. Yeah, there are so many things which I have used in Docker. We have used Docker build, we have used Docker, we have used create command, we have used exe, we have used images. You can kill the command, you can pull, you can push, you can restart, you can remove, run, scale, start. We have all used these commands, okay? Okay, now let me for building. See, I have already built my, I have already given my ML script. If you want to show you means I can show you again how we have to create this block. Okay. Simply I will show you. Okay. It's not an issue to me. So I have written this ML script Docker hyphen compose dot ml. Enter. See how I have written. This is the way what I have given version 3 services, and I am trying to run two containers. One is Tomcat and another one is Redis appline. Okay. I'm trying to create two images. Inside, okay, now let's see how can I run two containers. One is Tomcat and another one is Redis appline. Okay. So I save it. Now after doing this, we have to give command docker compose followed by up to create. See, see, it started creating. Now what we are going to do means, let me take duplicate tab. Let me get into my Docker Compose. Sudo -i whatever cd Docker content enter. Cd Docker content. I haven't went into my root right? Docker sudo -i. Now, okay. We need Docker hyphen command ls. Okay, let it be. Docker. Yes. See, 45 seconds ago, what I have done, I haven't done anything. Just I tried to pull my images from Docker Hub using ML script. That is the main purpose of doing in Docker Compose. We're going to pull our images from Docker Hub using ML scripts. This Docker Compose is used to create multiple containers as a service using ML script. Okay, it is this Docker Compose in other words is called as a plugin. It is the extension of a tool. Okay, now see, I haven't done anything. Here there are two applications, two containers upward running. Just I use it. Just see, I will going to show you. See, we have seen Docker Compose up. This is the only command we have given, right? You go up. Yeah, see what the command I have given. Docker Compose. I have created one ML script using VI editor. Docker Compose ML, and I have written there. I have written the script over here. What are the images? What are the images to pull from the Docker Hub and to run the containers. And what I have done, just I given to create. Already they have told to create and start containers. We have command up Docker compose space up. Now there is another command which can stop and remove the containers. Let me check it. Check it. Okay. So now q command Docker compose down DOWN. Okay. Yes. See, it's a remote. Now let me give command Docker PS. It's completely removed. This is how Docker Compose will be working. It is the main purpose of using Docker Compose is to run multiple containers using as a service using plugins. Okay, this is nothing. In other words, is nothing but Docker Compose is a type of a plugin. Okay, let me stop sharing. I hope I have explained very well about this Docker Compose.